The plan out here always seems to be changing no matter what. So I got up this morning. It rained most of the night. I was laying in my tent as the sun was rising. It was getting dry. And right when I got ready to get out of the tent, I could hear thunder rumbling. And so I got another cell here coming in. So I think I'm gonna crawl back in my tent and wait to see what happens. The rain has passed. It was enough it was worth the stop or stay. Quiet rain, just nice and easy for about an hour. I got a good little nap in. I didn't think I was going to, but then the moment it started raining, I was out for about 45 minutes and I woke up and it was still raining, so I don't feel too bad. I need to get moving. I'll be out of here in the next 20 minutes or so. Looks like there's just gonna be another pop-up way out there. But we'll get back on the river. We'll have a good day. The sun's starting to get a little hot today, but it's been nice. Making decent miles, a little tailwind. I got about 2 gallons of water left. There's the ferry. I have been thinking I've been going crazy because I've been thinking I've been seeing something move. And then I'd get up to it and it'd be a rock. You know, there'd be 2 rocks in a pattern. And then I'd be like, talk myself into thinking it was a pelican flying. I'm like, swore I was seeing canoes up ahead of me. And finally I made this last turn and there was like 5 in a row. But definitely, there is something ahead or I'm going crazy. I might be going crazy. I will give you an update as I get closer to this group. Not crazy. Just got camp set for the night. Towards the end of the day, I did get really tuckered out. It's about probably 8 o'clock now. At 7:30, I started looking for a camp. I was gonna go a little later, but these clouds are rolling in. We got some thunder rumbles. Now I feel some cool breeze coming. That's actually kind of nice. I do think I will end up running out of water. I do have that last beer cooling down in the river right now. I was given 2. I'm gonna take me a bath in the river. I got sticky today. I don't know where I'm at. I've had no signal for two full days, but I can't send anybody a message. Tomorrow's Father's Day, so hopefully tomorrow sometime I can get signal. If not, my dad will understand. Mom's probably a little worried. Maybe I should have got a Garmin inReach. I'm going downstream. No news is good news kind of with my family. Well, my boat's still there. I'm hanging out, not getting much sleep tonight. I slept for a few hours really good right when I went to bed. But probably since midnight on, it's been thundering hard. It rained good early. I slept good through that, but now it's been this. I ain't seen any stars in Montana, but I've seen some good thunder. All right. It's about 7:30, really coming down. Well, it's right when I get the camera out, it stops. But I knew I had this little stream, intermittent stream flowing in. It's really ripping, so that's kind of cool. Still thundering and rumbling decent. I just had to get out. The river's rose about a foot. I just had to get out and give my boat a rip up the bank a little bit. It was starting to touch water, and that stream was slowly working its way over towards my boat. Camp is a muddy mess. Tents stayed dry. There was a little water at my foot, but that never bothered me. Tents wet and muddy on the outside and all the way up it. Mistake that happened last night. I was trying to catch a little water on top of my dry bag so I could drink it. Yeah, I took a lot of water in my big dry bag. So, but everything's wet. All right, I'm gonna put this away so I can put things away. Have a great day. I mean, you know, this beats working, right? One of the most muddiest camps I've ever broke down. I've gotten muddy having to push my boat in the water before, but man, just the rain splattered everything up on the tent. Everything's disgusting right now, but that's part of it. Knew that was bound to happen sometime. We're out here gonna just enjoy the day. Time to get myself covered up, clean my feet. Yeah, here, there's my legs and feet. My tent's all muddy. I got it, didn't even put it in bags. It's in the front hatch. I'll have to lay it out later. Take some time to dry off. Happy Father's Day. I know James Kipp is up ahead at the bridge. Disappointing on my part that I let the wet weather bag get wet on the inside. That second rain that came through, I was able to drink quite a bit of water off the top of it. That actually helped me out quite a bit. I can't say that things are cleaner than when I last saw you, but didn't get on water till 10:45, I think. It's just sticky and dirty right now. So the water is really dirty now. Mud's all stirred up, so tonight would not be a good night for a river bath. The river is full of debris. That's where we're at. Here are the views. Hey, back on the river now. I did, I was up at the boat ramp. I laid out my tent so it was dried out for tonight. I was able to get about 3.5 bottles of water. I dumped them in my gallon jug. Heard there's more rain in the forecast tonight. All right, I'm at mile 1907, Rock Creek boat ramp. I got the whole campground to myself. Kind of planned on getting things laid out so they can dry out. I got things opened up, just got here. A little winded and all sweaty from dragging my boat up here. I probably really didn't even need to worry about bringing my boat up, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. It really sucked to be out here 2,500 miles from home and lose my boat with no signal here, and then not a lot of miles today, but that's okay. It was just the way the day went, and a guy at the boat ramp said they were calling for rain again this evening. I'll be honest, it looks like rain in nearly every direction, so I bet I'm gonna get rained on. Really don't know. I think it's coming this way. So that's it. We'll just have to set a good camp again tonight. Well, that's all I got. I am gonna get camp set because I do hear thunder rumbling. Starting to put things back away that I had drying because it's spitting already. I didn't get much time to dry. Yeah, here's camp set up. It's about 8:30. I got all cleaned up. Ate dinner, tuna on a tortilla, a little squeeze of peanut butter, and 5 nerd clusters.